Hi everyone, Craig Garenti from Palisade Compliance, and happy Oracle New Year. I just went through my 28th fiscal year close with Oracle. So whatever you wanted to do with Oracle last year, we hope you achieved your goals, whether that was buying more stuff from them or moving away from them. We hope you got there. Now, as if working with Oracle wasn't difficult, in the last few years, we've definitely noticed a new problem that Oracle customers have to face, and Palisade's going to help you fix that problem at no charge. The problem is there is so much information out on the internet around Oracle licensing. It's often confusing, contradictory, or it's wrong, or it's stuff that Oracle puts out there to promote their agenda, and it's really not independent training for you. And recently, what I've noticed is that there's now a little cottage industry that is charging you for general Oracle licensing information, right? I guess if you give them enough money, they'll give you a little certification to say, hey, you're a certified Oracle SAM practitioner, whatever that means. Well, at Palisade Compliance, we have a motto. We want to empower, defend, and liberate Oracle customers all around the world. And when I say liberate, I mean, if you want to buy more Oracle, great. Do it in a way that benefits you. If you want to move away from Oracle, that's great too. Here's a pathway to do that. And knowledge and education and information is key to be empowered, right? That's the first step. So what I'm announcing today is our Paliversity online learning module. They're all free. Right? So just sign up, use the link in the comments, and we'll give you a subscription. This is the material that we give with our clients, right? It's the general Oracle information, very specific, how to license Oracle in a virtualized environment, how to license Oracle in the cloud, how to negotiate the best deal with Oracle, what to do with your ULA. This is real stuff that we provide directly to our clients, and now it's available for free. There's no reason why you should rely on the Wild West out there and put yourself in a situation where you end up spending a lot more or put yourself out of compliance. There's no reason for you to spend money on this stuff. We've aggregated it and put it in one location for you. So simply click on the link, sign up the form, we'll give you a subscription, no charge. We hope you enjoy it. Everybody.